Greetings to the members of IPS. This is me, Manasvi, and I'm here to speak about a topic which have been discussed many times with you, and you have heard about it many times and is conveyed to you many times. But it has not been implemented yet. Today I'm here to discuss about a language which is becoming more and more important in our day-to-day life, and the language is English. English is the most widely spoken language. Now in the modern world, English plays a very crucial role in our journey of life. English is a global language. It's not just a language, it connects the world with different countries, it connects the people with different cultures and traditions. In schools and colleges, English plays a very vital role as we all are studying in the English medium school and we have maths in English, science in English and social science in English. Now let me ask you a simple question that do we have English with us? Perhaps the answer will be no. It's because we have considered English is just a language. We have not considered it's a means to upgrade and update ourselves. Let me ask you a simple question again that do you still drive a Ambassador car? Or do you still ride a Bajaj scooter? Or do you still listen to news on radio? Most of the people in this modern world don't carry cash money with them as they use the digital mode of payment. When we have changed our means of lifestyle to this much, then why we are not changing our means of speaking? Most of the students don't speak in English. It's not because they don't know how to speak. It's just because they think that others will make fun of them. Keep in mind that if someone is making fun of you, then the person will laugh at you for 1 day, for 2 days or for 3 days. But in future, when life will make fun of him, then he will regret that what he had done is in his past. If you know that how to command or how to ask something, then ChatGPT will give you the best results. I am not saying that you should disrespect your mother language Hindi, but we should keep updating ourselves as our world changing. Now it depends on you that you have to enjoy now or pay the price in future, or you have to pay the price now to enjoy your future. As the upcoming world is full of skills, let's take English and use it in a professional way to grow yourself professionally and personally. Why I am here every day? I am here because I want to make me grow professionally. I am also having my class that is running now, and I am here giving you a speech on this topic because I want to grow myself professionally for the future. That's why you all have to grow professionally and personally, not just by an academic session. Keep in mind that we all have skills and that should be upgraded by time. Work on your skills and be brave and don't think about others that what they are thinking of you. Thank you and have a great day.